Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to introduce a new little product called the rail hanger. This is a simple little sort of a hook that mounts on the outside of your Outriggers to hold your rail and keep it arranged when you're changing sheets on your dashboard. And so this is just going to fit in the slot on the underside of your rail. And so the way this is going to work is you have a 5/32 or 4mm Allen wrench. I have a combination square that I've set to a convenient distance down on my outrigger where I want this thing to be installed. And so you just come up from underneath here, slip that in, and then bring it up to your combination square, tighten that in place. And let's just make sure that it looks nice and straight and get that solid, and then that's ready to go. So the way this works, I've already got the other one installed here, and it doesn't matter if you put them both on the inside of the Outriggers or on the outside of the Outriggers. Either one works. Take my rail, and you can see I'm going to go in the slot on the bottom. And so you'll get a feel for this, but find the slot on both sides, press it in and let go. The hook's going to hold it there. So now you can change sheets, move materials, and have this convenient versus having to stand it up somewhere or find some other way to put it. Now, the reverse, lift up, pull out, and you're back in business. So that is the rail hanger on the dashboard system. Thanks for watching.